Sometimes it's preferable to make a button to run a macro rather than press a shortcut key combination. For example, I might like to add a button to my Quick Access Toolbar. So I'll click my Customize Quick Access Toolbar button and I'll choose More Commands. What I see here are popular commands. I'm going to change popular commands to macros, so I'll hit this drop down and choose macros in the list. Here are my two macros. I can click the address macro and click the add button to add the address macro to my Quick Access Toolbar. If I click on address, I can then click the modify button and choose a button that I want to assign to this macro. For example, I might decide that I want to assign this particular street sign to my address macro. And if I click OK, I've now got a little macro with a little button that looks like a street sign. If I click my Today macro and add that to my Quick Access Toolbar, I can then click on Today and click Modify and choose a different button for my Today macro. So I'll choose the clouds and OK. When I click the OK button, I now have the option to either press a shortcut key, which still works, or click in a cell and click my street sign to insert the address. Click in a cell and click my clouds to run the Today macro and insert the date.